How to only install Call of Duty Modern Warfare multiplayer or campaign, special ops, or survival. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can only install Call of Duty Modern Warfare multiplayers or its special features. So, the very first thing that you have to do is, of course, pull up your Steam and make sure that you log in. Now, once you've successfully logged in, all I have to do next is to go into Store, and from the search box, just simply type in Call of Duty. Now, once you hit on enter, you're gonna have to see a lot of results here. But the main Call of Duty that you need to download is, of course, the very first result right here, which is gonna be this one. So once you've successfully installed this, just simply click on play or install, and then this is gonna be your Call of Duty interface. So as you can see, there are a lot of features that Call of Duty has. Say, for example, Modern Warfare 4, Black Ops, Warzone, and so on and so forth. So, say for example, you would only like to download or to use the campaign or the multiplayer or the special operations or survival. You do not need to click anything from here. Just simply click on the Modern Warfare default and you're good to go. That's it. That's how you only install Call of Duty Modern Warfare multiplayer or campaign, special ops, or survival.